Tired of the hustle and bustle of the city, this man embarks on a solitary journey to a secluded log cabin deep in a snow-covered forest. The trip is an experience of complete isolation from the modern world, where seemingly simple tasks like gathering firewood, building a fire, or shoveling snow become essential for maintaining warmth and stability during the harsh winter. After selecting suitable dry logs, he began chopping wood, each axe stroke echoing loudly. Large logs are split into smaller, thinner strips to make them easier to ignite and burn evenly. Once the small pieces of firewood were ready, he began to light the fire for the first time. Each small piece was neatly stacked, and the flames from the dry sticks began to flare up, casting warm golden light into the quiet space. When he tried to open the door of the log cabin, the thick snow and ice around the doorframe made it jam shut. Each push only caused the door to tremble slightly without moving, the knocking sound echoing against the ice in the quiet forest. He had to use a knife and axe to scrape away chunks of ice around the hinges, and to separate the layers of snow clinging to the bottom of the door. After a few minutes of patience, the heavy door began to open, revealing light from inside and warmth spreading. The moment the door successfully opened was not only a relief, but also a signal that the shelter remained secure, despite the harsh winter outside.